Hi, so we're clearly going through a bit of a rocket stove stage, and I've made this one in a previous video, and the link is at the end of this video. Now, I'm at home because we're looking at this as being an emergency cooker. With everything that's going on at the moment, rising gas prices and the possibility of things being shut off, having some way of heating and cooking is obviously becoming a bit of an issue. And it's one of those things that's really, I suppose, peace of mind. And my wife is saying, oh, well, just grab some barbecues. But then, of course, what's everybody going to do when this kind of thing happens? They're going to do exactly the same thing. And we bothered to make this thing. Now, I gave it a quick test, but I actually never really tried it out. It sat in the lab while I was thinking about the Stirling engine, which I'm going to take it back and do that with. But I never really tried it. So I thought I'd bring it home and we'd give it a go cooking our dinner. Okay, there aren't many things that amaze you, but this thing cooked a couple of beef burgers, some beans, and made enough hot water for 2 cups of coffee on that much wood. That's what I actually burnt in it to do all of that. I'm astounded, actually. I'm astounded how little timber it actually took, and it was able to do that. Now, we're doing a bit of house renovation, so we've got a lot of scrap timber. We've probably got enough timber in scrap alone to cook our dinners for the next year if we use this thing. That actually truly amazed me. I didn't think they were quite that good, but they really are quite that good. Anyway, if you feel like making one, check out that video, and they're a piece of cake. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and please do remember to like and subscribe.